Hey, I'm going to give you my review on the troll dolls. This one is Poppy, and this one is Viva. So every time I go over to my granddaughter's home, she has got this show on. And when I saw these, I just thought, how perfect is that? This matches exactly what she showed, what they look like on the television show. And she is just going to go nuts over these. There is another one, and it is coming. I didn't get it at the same time as I got these two, but these will be just great. My granddaughter is a perfect gift. My granddaughter is 3 years old, and this will work just perfect for her. There aren't any small items in these packages, so I don't have to be concerned with her putting things into her mouth where they don't belong, but she will really enjoy these, and she can associate and play with them while she's watching her troll movies. And that's just my honest opinion.